Imagine walking through a grocery store with a tiny basket. Add milk, eggs, bread, and cereal, and it already looks stuffed. Now put those same items in a big cart. Nothing changed except the space. Credit limits work the same way. A bigger limit can make the same balance look smaller and less risky. Here's what you'll learn in today's class. How to boost your credit limits easily. The secret to soft versus hard pulls. Why updating income can work wonders. Timing your requests for maximum impact and avoiding pitfalls before big loans. Let's get started. Here are some key terms for this lesson. Credit limit. The most money a credit card company lets you borrow on that card. Soft pull. A credit check that does not hurt your score. Hard pull. A credit check that may cause a small, short-term score dip. FICO score. A common credit score lenders use to judge risk. Risk profile. The full story of how risky or safe you look to a lender. Now let's jump in. Here is the part most people miss. Credit is not just a score. Credit is a risk profile. Your credit report tells a story to banks, lenders, landlords, insurers, and other companies. One big chapter is utilization. Utilization means how much of your credit limit you are using. It can make up about 30% of your FICO score. Before you ask for a higher limit, ask one simple question. Will this be a soft pull or a hard pull? A soft pull is like a quick peek at your report. It does not hurt your score. A hard pull is a full credit check. It can cause a small, short-term dip. That one question can save you stress. Some issuers are known for being easier on this part. American Express, Capital One, and Discover usually use soft pulls for limit increase reviews. Citi, Bank of America, and US Bank often use hard pulls. But do not treat this like a forever rule. Banks can change their process. Always ask before you click submit. Here is a simple move people forget. Update your income inside your credit card account profile. If your income went up and it is real, add it. Some issuers may give you an automatic increase later with no request and no hard pull. It is like telling your phone plan, hey, my budget changed. They may offer more room. Credit card companies like patterns. 6 to 12 months of on-time payments and low balances can make you look safer. Many issuers raise limits automatically after they see that pattern. If you ask manually, space requests about 6 months apart. Asking too often is like knocking on the same door every 5 minutes. It can look desperate. A smart request is often 2 to 3 times your current limit. If your card limit is $1,000, asking for $2,000 or $3,000 may be more reasonable than asking for $25,000. Think of it like lifting weights. You move up in steps. You do not go from a grocery bag to a moving truck overnight. Never take a hard pull limit increase right before a mortgage, car loan, or other major loan. That is like changing lanes right before a driving test. Maybe nothing bad happens, but why add risk? If you are close to a big loan, protect your report. Focus on low balances, on-time payments, and clean account details.